Check out these products. Would you sell any of these products on Amazon? Well, to better answer this question, you actually need to use product research tools for Amazon in the UAE. Are you ready? Let's get started. I'm gonna be featuring and talking about these 4 tools. But before I get started, why are tools necessary if you want to do product research for Amazon anywhere, but in particular in the UAE in this case? Well, you don't actually need product research tools, to be very honest. However, tools in general in any business can help support you make better decisions. And those better decisions can reduce the risk of selling a product that is maybe not that important to sell on Amazon. With that being said, let's jump straight into tool number 1. You hear me talking about it all the time if you watch the videos on this channel, and it's Helium 10. As Amazon Sellers Society, we're very proud to be partnered with Helium 10, and thus we're able to provide you a great 3-month discount of 30% on your Helium 10 membership. You'll find the details in the description box of this video. But what exactly is Helium 10? Helium 10 is better known as a product research tool with so many features that can help you get more information so that you can make the right decision. One of those features that I like is known as X-ray.
So I'm on Amazon.ae, and as you can see here, my page looks a little bit different because I've got an additional feature, which is the Helium 10 extension, which is right here. Right now, I'm on Amazon and I'm looking at the keyword water bottle. If you open the drop-down extension, then you can click on X-ray Amazon product research or X-ray keywords. Let's click on X-ray Amazon product research. X-ray is exactly that. It is an X-ray. So what it does is it provides you all of the information in a quick snapshot so that you know each and every product, what the ASIN is, if you want to copy the ASIN, what the brand name is, what the price is, how many sales estimated per unit. This is happening, the product is selling per month, what would be the estimated revenue. You can even check the sales graph, the current BSR, and what would be the potential fees. As you can see, it has X-rayed all of the page, and it has included the products that are sponsored and the products that are showing up organically. That way you can easily look at all of the details and decide whether or not it would be potentially a product that you would want to sell. Not only that, it also provides you with the averages of that particular keyword, such as a quick snapshot of the search volume, and you could click here also to see the full grid. You could also know what the average selling price of the product is, which is very valuable and important, as well as the average reviews. If you look at other information, you'll also be able to see how many images. So you don't even have to click on the product in order to see all of that information. It's right here accumulated for you so that you can see exactly how everything is being sold, so that you can make a quick analysis as to if these products would be a good idea for you to sell or not.
Now, Helium 10 not only has X-ray, but other features such as Black Box, which is purely a product research feature, as well as Magnet, which helps you figure out different keywords, especially uniquely tailored for not just people who are looking for products to sell on Amazon, but anyone that is currently selling products on Amazon as well. Now, if you're finding this video useful, make sure that you thumbs up and you share this video because it helps us expand the journey of YouTube for Amazon Sellers Society, and it helps us reach more sellers and provide them support. If you want to work directly with the Amazon Sellers Society, here are 3 ways. Number 1, you can enroll in our courses so you can learn how to sell on Amazon UAE KSA yourself. Number 2, you can enroll in our Done For You service, where we help you set up your business from A to Z on Amazon in the Middle East. And number 3, you can enroll in our account management services so that we can help you exclusively, if you are selling on Amazon already, increase your sales and better manage your business. You can reach out to the team and book a consultation call on www.assmiddleeast.org. Thank you so much. You'll also find all of the information in the description box of this video. Now, let's say you want to sell on Amazon KSA as well as Egypt. As of me filming this video, Helium 10 is only operating on Amazon in the UAE. So that's why tool number 2 is Egro, egro.io. This tool can help you sell on Amazon Middle East and all of Amazon's. I think it operates on 17 Amazon marketplaces, UAE, KSA, and Egypt being one of those marketplaces. Very much similar to all product research tools, Egro can help you understand the estimation of sales for each product, provide you valuable data about search volume and information to help you make a better informed decision. Moving on to tool number 3, AMZ PTI. AMZ PTI is not really a product research tool, but operates very similarly. That's why I think it's a very interesting tool for you to check out, because it operates differently as well as similarly to things like Helium 10 as well as Egro. It's gonna give you data, but not the same data. That's why it's very important. What you can do, or the thing that I really like about AMZ PTI, is that you can have a snapshot of the daily sales of any product that you like and you want to track. You could just add it into your daily tracker and you can see the daily sales for that product, which potentially is something that you would want or you're looking to sell on Amazon. Over the course of 60 days, you can just check it out and see how many units they're selling and what would be, and if it would be potentially something that you wanted to sell. Now, this tracker, you can also use it for your competitors so that you can track and see what your competitors are selling. And finally, tool number 4, one of my favorites. This tool is better known as Keyword Tool Dominator. I've been talking about this tool for almost 3 years. It has nothing to do with product research, but that doesn't mean that you cannot use it. The reason why I really like it is because, first of all, it's free. Even the paid version is very, very inexpensive, and it is very beginner friendly, so it's very easy for you to use and to learn how to use it. What Keyword Tool Dominator does, it gives you an idea of the demand for particular keywords. And that is very essential when you want to sell a product. The primary thing that you need to focus on when you want to sell a product on Amazon is that there's enough demand, so you know that you're gonna get a guarantee of a certain amount of sales if you were to sell that product.
I'm on the dashboard for the Keyword Tool Dominator, and as you can see, you don't need to only use it for Amazon. You can use it for things like Google Shopping, Google, YouTube, eBay, Home Depot, Etsy, Walmart, so many places. But of course, we're going to be using it for Amazon. Once we have clicked on the Amazon feature, we can just click here and scroll to the country that we want and need. Let's click on United Arab Emirates. And here you could either enter a product, a service, a topic, or keyword. So let's obviously, we sell on Amazon. So let's use the keyword water bottle. As you can see, you'll get some quick information about the actual keywords that are doing quite well. You don't get a score like you do on Helium 10 with all of the actual sales volume, but there is a scoring system as to how many times the keyword has been used. So in this case, water bottle for kids, it's giving us all of the information, and it's showing us what the autocomplete position, the AP position is. So the autocomplete position is the position that you find on Amazon whenever you're trying to add a keyword into the search bar. How difficult the keyword is to use in order to rank. So the difficulty is medium, and if it's hot or not. So as you can see here, water bottle for kids has an AP of 1. The difficulty is medium. This is an actual really good keyword. So if you were thinking of selling a water bottle, why not potentially look at water bottle for kids? Stanley water bottle 1.5L, 1 liter, 2 liters, 500 milliliters. So you can look at all of the details and try to figure out which keywords have really good search volume and which keywords you can actually choose. Now, you can also switch the countries, of course. You can look at multiple options through this really, really simple tool.
Let me know in the comments section below if you have used any of these tools or if you have any favorite from these 4 tools. And as always, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.